Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give an abstract an idea about MCPs and multi-agent collaboration based on your DevOps needs. We'll not go into very deep diving since it's an Ignite talk. We only have limited time and it's a 5 minute talk. First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Ağrı, as you know. I'm working as an AI engineer at Kloia for about 1 year and some months. Usually I do AI implementation and AI integration into various of applications. So nowadays you almost heard every AI terms and buzzwords so-called, like MCPs, chatbots, LLM providers, multi-agent teams, fine-tuning, RAG. But the key point is finding the important part for your problem, right? Like choosing the cashew from the mixed nuts. Karışık çerez içerisinden kajuyu seçmek gibi düşünebilirsiniz. For doing that, you need to investigate and find the right solution for you. But let's start from the problems. The number one problem is I'm not a DevOps engineer myself, but I hear a lot of DevOps burnout issues on LinkedIn and on the various platforms because there are a lot of monitoring alerts, logs, some kind of incidents, and some threshold alerts also. Sometimes you are not utilizing the whole CPU, sometimes you are exceeding the limit of the threshold. For this problem, we can use AI, right? But here's the catch. There are some problems while using the AI because one single agent cannot do this alone. Since there are many things that AI can do, should do actually. There are many logs. You should investigate logs. You should find the cause and result relationships. And one agent cannot single-handedly do this job. So we need to make agents able to speak with each other. Some will find the issue, some will fix the issue, and some will test the issue. And the third one is when we collaborate these agents, still we do not have any access to our data sources or APIs or logs. Because of that reason, the AI will not know your problems. And to fix that one, you might generate or develop a custom integration for your LLM to give the model the enough data to process your problems. However, it will result in a model lock, and you need to change every time you switch the model, your integration. Thus, enter MCP. MCP is Model Context Protocol developed by Anthropic team, the Kloia team. You can think about it as an USB socket. All of the computers we are using have the same USB socket, and the same flash disk will run on every item, on every computer, disregarding the brand or feature of the computers, right? For the second problem, we were talking about the multi-agent. There are many options, OpenAI's Agent Kit, NA10, and cloud providers solutions, also a LangGraph as an open source alternative. You can pick whatever you want, but the main important thing is the principle, the patterns you are going to use. There are many patterns, for example, sequential pattern, where an agent solves the problem partially and the result will be given as an input to other agent, or parallel, you can divide the tasks manually. Or other than that, there are hierarchical task decomposition pattern, where a decomposition orchestrator agent will decompose the tasks and give the problems, the sub-problems actually, to the related agents. And other than that, we have 3 more patterns. There's a swarm pattern, maybe you heard of it. It is very, how do I say, popular right now, where agents collaborate each other with dynamically, based on the problems they are giving each other. They are sharing the same context window. And the human in the loop, that's very important about some security issues. If you are doing some job that needs to be done safely, you will insert a human into the loop so that all the results will be checked. So the problem 1 was burnout in the DevOps. We can solve this problem by using the solution 2 and 3, but it will not be enough because me, as I am not an DevOps, I will not interpret the logs and monitoring and alerts and incidents just like you do. You will need to guide the problem and agents, and you can build a system, and you can Maybe not all of that, but you can partially solve your problems and maybe just automated alert systems. Thank you for listening. This is my, okay. Ağrı, you can add it from the LinkedIn. Thank you so much.